Introducing the 2023 Polestar 2, the ultimate in luxury and technology. With only 3,000 kilometers on the clock, this electric saloon is the perfect combination of style and efficiency. Featuring automatic transmission, this beauty was registered new in 2023. Loaded with comfort and safety features like heated seats, satellite navigation, ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the sleek design and security features like door sill protectors make this car stand out on the road. Rest easy knowing this Polestar 2 has had a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.